Hello and welcome to everyone, and hope that you are doing well. So today's video will be answer to a question from meme generator about creating a layout or changing the layout to display two products per row in the mobile view. The answer is kind of tricky because the problem is not on the answer itself, but on the way that you will be displaying these miniatures. Because at certain level, at certain screen, having two miniatures, it won't be really user friendly. But anyway, so let me just show you how to do such things. First of all, you have to understand how this template is built. So by looking into this building block, the products and how much article does contain, we do see that this product have or has the display flex property, and from that we do understand the way this flex is built, since it's flex. The next thing is to understand and find from where does this came from, because probably will be a need to add some kind of specific classes, so it will be useful. And here I just want to show you, in case you are blindly and you don't know where this code may be reside, so you have simply to go to your themes folder, the classic or any other active theme in your store, go to template, and right there you have to search for the class that we picked from the inspector, and by double click you will be landed into this miniatures product.tpl that is containing the single building block of the article that will be later looped through inside the product.tpl. But right here, this is not really important for us. I just want to show you from where does it came from. Now, when it's come to updating this view to be a couple miniature side by side on the mobile view, you have to first of all work on the media query from 767 pixel and below. So the property is already there, and right here I'll talk about how to do developing assets from CSS and how to compile them, because I already have a course on that. If you're interested, you could pick it from the description of this video or the very first command that will be pinned normally. And it will be working directly on this theme.css that is, as you may see here, it's a production based, or it's minimized file. So it's just for showing how to do that, and not how to do development assets and transform them into a CSS and all that hassle. So here it's like a hotfix, quickly how to do that. So I'd like to go to this theme.css, which is normally located under assets here, and CSS, and you have to search for theme.css. So here we have plenty of files that generally cache and stuff that generated during the compression or the processing of a CSS file. So this is our file here, and I'll be actually bad practice, but I'll be formatting this because I would like to have a readable file, and from there I will be searching for product miniature dot product miniatures, and we must find where does it reside. So after formatting, I will be able to see the exact line where this property does exist or does reside. So I have to inspect again. By the way, I'm using the Google the Edgy Chromium, or Chromium Edgy. It's a really good one. Good browser, good features, and everything is great on this one. I really like it. So again, this is the product, and this is the article, and this is a cache actually. So you have to do a hard refresh this time. There you go. Just do Control F5 in case you don't see the changes. So again, articles, and this is the line that we have to go to just to modify, as we said, the properties for the mobile views. So what we do here, what we'll be doing actually, first of all, we have to set a max width. So let me apply a background to green here that you could see where this element does reside. So I'll be get rid of the margin, so set that to 0. And the very first thing is to set the width, like say 14%. All right, and immediately that let's say take the other element to the side, because it will take the missing 16%. And we could play around with the margin, the padding, margin bottom actually. So let's suppose I'll be adding a margin bottom of 5%. Why not? And yeah, pretty much it. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this to the file. So we said that it will be 11,496, that long number, which is just make sure that this is it. Yeah, so we'll be overriding this line and setting these new properties, and actually this margin becomes 0 for now. All right. No, well, okay, let's change this to a correct value. So from the top and the bottom I do 5%, then I will do, let's say, 20 pixel. So all these values are random, and it's up to you to fit them to your need. And just here I'm just want to show you how to do such things. So we have to do a bit more work here, because we do see that some elements are actually overlapping our parent element. So by investigating the class container, thumbnail container, we do see that it has a fixed width of 250 pixel. We have simply to change that to max width 100%, something like that, and we have to update that again into this line 8603. Go 8603, and here, where is it? Okay, we kind of lost that, so I have a better approach to do this. So I'll be copying all this selector, since we are under the property for mobile here, this is line, and I will be duplicating this, and I'll be concatenating this class. So my rule become this one. So here, let's say max width will become 100%. All right. Now let's refresh back and see what will happen. All right, it seems like I forget to add a rule or property, so make sure that this article is working correctly. So margin 5% 0, it seems like it's a lot. Yeah, so 5% is a lot for actually 20 is a lot for left and right. So what about changing that to only 5 pixel? No problem. 5 pixel here. All right. Also we have to find a solution for this hummingbird name and kind of stuff. So for now I will be simply hiding that. So it's literally up to you to play around with these values to fit the need, your need. So here I set that to display known. All right. Oops, that didn't work. Display known. All right, so refreshing. All right, that start to take place. Now we could a bit increase this one. Let's say it will be like 46%, something like that. And there you go. So now, as you may see here, we did a play around with the layout, and we changed it from one product per line to 2 products. But as I said, it's up to you, and you have more work to do here, that you could adapt the rest of the elements just to fit this kind of view. To my followers, to all of you, and to meme generator, hopefully this video will answer your quest. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a good comment, to subscribe to these channels, and see ya.